Hello, this is Dr. Bhushan Shanbhag. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel, Market Mantra. In this channel, we are going to see different videos related to stock markets. There will be mostly technical analysis and related videos, but there will be quite a few other things, and all will be explained to you in a series of videos. Okay, so today we are going to start with very basics. What are shares? Right from that, I'm going to start. Now, whenever we are talking of what are shares, we have to understand certain things that for some of you, you may be knowing this. Okay. But for some others, this will be totally new thing. So I'm trying to keep in mind that those who are new, they will also understand. And those who are already experienced, they will also gain something in this YouTube channel. Okay. So welcome to this journey. We are going to start with what are shares. Now, whenever we talk of shares, let us simply understand. Say, for example, there is a company, there is an existing company. Okay. And this existing company is functioning, it's making profit. At the same time, it was founded by its founders. They have invested their money, they have invested their effort in it. Correct? This company may have infrastructure, it will have machines, it will have buildings, it will have workforce, it may have a know how, technology. Right. So everything may not be put up in brick and mortar. Now, say for example, a company has a patent, right? Or a company has some developed technology. Now, this you cannot show on in reality, but it exists. So whenever we say company, all these things are assets of that company, right? So now this company wants to grow. It is already existing, already profit making, but now this company wants to grow further. Naturally, when it comes to growth, it requires money. Right. A company may want more plants. Company may want to upgrade its system. Company may want to just employ more people, whatever. The question is how to get this extra capital. Okay. How to get the money. Company may either take loans. Company may attract private investors to invest in it. Company may take deposits, issue debentures, warrants, or company may issue its shares. Now, what are these? What are their pros and cons? Let us just quickly understand it. First of all, loans. What is loan? You borrow money from maybe a bank or maybe any other institution. So, money borrowed from lenders, debt, right? When we talk of debt, the problem is this debt, this loan has to be returned. Whoever is your lender, you have to give it back with interest. Correct. So, interest is to be paid. Now, this is not always possible. Not always possible means, for expansion of company, sometimes amounts required are huge. And to get the interest on it and to return it means in future, company will have to generate that much of cash. Okay. Private investment, second avenue. In private investment, what is done? Those who are high net worth investors, those who invest in these such companies, company will take money from them. And these investors will invest because they see that future of company is very bright. Then they will invest. But again, they are expecting the return on investment. So how do they get return on investment? If it is the loan, again, we go back to the first step. Other way around, they will expect shares of this company to be sold to public later on at higher price. So they'll get the return on investment. Okay, so that is number one. Number two, partly you are shifting the ownership of company to that investor who is actually an outsider, right? Third is deposits and debentures. Company can ask for fixed deposits and or it may give debentures, warrants. But again, the problem remains. Even this money has to be returned with interest on maturity. Okay. So whatever are the problem with loans, more or less same problems occur even with deposits or debentures. right? The only difference being in deposits and debentures, you don't exactly pledge or mortgage the company. For loans, you will have to do that to get the secured loan at lower interest rate. The fourth avenue open to the company is issue of shares. Okay. Now, what is issue of shares? Part ownership of the company is sold to public, and public pays to the company for getting this part ownership. Okay. So, how it is done? Entire company is divided in smaller parts on paper equal in size. All right. And this each part is called share or equity because they're equal ultimately. Right. So out of the entire company's total number of shares which are created, small number is sold to public. People pay for it for getting this part ownership of the company. So people, public get the part ownership of a good company, avenue to earn profit from that, and company gets the money. All right. So though there is a partial ownership transfer, the management has controlling share of the equity. Major number of shares remain with the management. Okay. So sale of these shares is done through a process what is called IPO, initial public offering. We are going to see a separate video about the IPO. That time this will be more clear. But what do share owners get? Fine, they have paid money to the company and they have got the shares. What do they get because of with the shares? Number one, they are owning part of the company, these ownership rights. Okay. So whoever will be running the company, the shareholders get voting rights in the elections of the company, office bearers. Okay. Then, if company has earned profit in subsequent years, these shareholders get a part of this profit because they are also part owners. They are entitled to this profit. So part of this profit is given to them. That is called a dividend. All right. Then, if the share price increases, they get capital gains. What is capital gains? The increase in value of each share of the company. Say today the company is worth 200 crores. Tomorrow it becomes 400 crores. Share price increases. That also doubles. Because number of shares, as long as number of share remains the same, price of share is going to double. Okay, right. So more details we are going to see in subsequent videos. But in the meantime, if you like this information so far, please press the like button, subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon. So as soon as I load a new video, you will come to know about it immediately. See you in the next video where we are going to see more about the shares, what exactly are those, how are they created, and in subsequent videos, how they are given to public in IPO. Okay. And then how are they traded? How exactly person is profited by it? Everything we are going to see in this channel, Market Mantra. To see you in the next video. Thanks a lot for watching this video.